Ever thought about surfing in the Caribbean? Imagine the warm sun on your skin, the rhythmic crash of waves, the thrill of catching your first wave. Today we're going to explore 5 beginner-friendly surfing locations in the Caribbean, each with its own unique charm. First up is Rincon in Puerto Rico, a haven for surfers. Rincon's sandy beaches and consistent waves make it an ideal spot for beginners. Known as the surfing capital of the Caribbean, it's not just the waves that will captivate you, but also the vibrant local culture and lush tropical landscapes. Next, we head to Barbados, home to the Soup Bowl. This spot, located on the eastern coast, is renowned for its consistent small waves. The clear, warm waters provide an inviting environment for those just starting their surfing journey. Our third location takes us to the Dominican Republic, to the shores of Playa Encuentro. This beach is known for its reliable waves and sandy bottom, perfect for beginners. The lush greenery that surrounds Playa Encuentro adds to the allure, making it a picturesque spot to learn to surf. Fourth on our list is Bathsheba Beach, also in Barbados. This spot has a reputation for being one of the most beautiful beaches in the world, with its stunning rock formations and clear waters. The waves at Bathsheba are consistent, making it another great spot for beginners. Lastly, we head to Jamaica, to the white sands of Boston Bay Beach. Known for its small, manageable waves, it's an ideal spot for those new to the sport. Plus, it's a great place to relax and soak up the Caribbean sun after a day of surfing. At each of these locations, you'll find local surf schools ready to guide you. Enrolling in one of these schools can be incredibly beneficial. Not only will you learn the basics of surfing, but you'll also gain valuable insights about the local surf conditions and safety measures. Speaking of safety, always remember to wear a leash while surfing. This isn't just about keeping your board close, but also about ensuring your safety and that of others around you. Practicing proper surf etiquette is key to a safe and enjoyable experience. In summary, the Caribbean offers a plethora of beginner-friendly surf spots, each with its own unique features. From the vibrant surf scene in Rincon, Puerto Rico, to the crystal-clear waters of Soup Bowl in Barbados, the consistent waves of Playa Encuentro in the Dominican Republic, the stunning beauty of Bathsheba Beach in Barbados, and the relaxing vibes of Boston Bay Beach in Jamaica. Remember, enrolling in a local surf school can provide invaluable guidance, and always prioritize safety by wearing a leash and practicing proper surf etiquette. Yes, surfing in the Caribbean can be a dream come true for beginners. So why wait? Start planning your surf adventure today.